guys, welcome to this episode. Today I am in Solihull and I'm going to capture a wedding. So this is a tutorial on how to do a wedding shoot. So the first thing you need to do is take outtake shots. So I'm in this hotel. I'm going to take lots of outtake shots. So check out these outtake shots. These are going to be sort of the establishing shots ready for the shoot. So let's get started. Right, now I've got some of these establishing shots. What I'm going to do now is going to go into the venue and I'm going to take some shots of the bride getting ready. So these are some shots that you would do before you start your shoot. So let's start taking these and let's see how they turn out. Try getting some really good pictures of food. Food always looks amazing in good light. So I'm just going to capture these photographs of this food and see what you guys think. Hi guys, so I've taken some shots of the bride and groom outside, makeup shots. Now I'm going to shoot some of the shots in this venue. So check out the shots. Lots of video. I've just captured as many shots as I can throughout the day to ensure there's a nice continuity of shots. So I've taken all these shots for you to have a look at. Remember, you've got to work really quick and you've got to make sure you get all the shots in. So today I have shot roughly about 300 images in about 40 minutes of the whole event. With the Canon 5D Mark III, and I've used manual mode and auto mode depending on what I've been shooting. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Any questions, please do post.